Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Seriously doing experiments. I have Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner. It does not smell good, but 10 drops in 2 ounces of paint did work when I put it into my Amsterdam Black. This is Amsterdam White. I do not know what is going to happen. I have several swipe cards, one of which I tried to make visible by adding some paint to its surface. It's still wet. And they're round. We'll see if that works. I've got square if I want them. I have put some paint on the edges of my canvas. I like to get that paint right up to over the edge. With my fingers. One side has more than the others. I put like all the colors I'm thinking about using, which are over here to my right. Excuse me, my left, your right. And I really wanted to add some color to the canvas. And I've got a color that I don't use a lot of. And I think it's going to be my sky color and my base color. So I'll just spread that around right now. With an OXO omelet turning, a flip and fold spatula. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas that had a flaw, but when I used them yesterday, the 10 by 10s, the whole package had flaccid corners. They dried tight, so that was a surprise that I enjoyed, especially since the experiments I did were not video recorded, and they were kind of nice, actually. So there's my lilac base. I don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure it was made with some White House paint, and it's years old now. I might be tempted to put a little blue in my sky. And that was a cobalt blue, but I believe it has some iridescent pearl fine added to it. I don't mind that my edges are a different color. I am thinking that I want some of my brighter purple. And maybe even go so far as to use some of this hot orchid, because it was the dregs right in the bottom of the jar. And when I went back to find it, it was really, really super thick. And I know that it will meld with almost anything. So that's a nice pink sky. Nice bright pink sky. It reminds me of the way watercolor blends with things. So I really like it, because I used to be a watercolorist. And maybe if I had studio space for that, I would do that again. So I have another color that I mixed up yesterday while I was looking for a bright electric blue, and I couldn't make it, but I did accidentally make Mysterious. So I'm going to just use that up as best I can. It doesn't seem to want to go away. I'm not using any particular rhyme or reason to, there's no pattern. I'm just blobbing paint down. That is a turquoise that has iridescent pearl fine in it that I made up myself. The iridescent pearl fine is from Golden. This is an Artist Loft amethyst. This is an Island Blue from Anita's. I believe this was a cobalt, and I don't know who made it, but I am kind of craving a much lighter version of that color, and I wonder if this will work. I don't know how much lighter it'll be. Yeah, it's a little bit lighter. That's Anita's with some Venetian blue added to it. Anita's white metallic, I should say. So I'm going to take my swipe card and there are at least 10 drops to 2 ounces of paint of that Amsterdam white. And I'm going to take some of that paint right off of there because I think I will completely, and put it on the canvas. I think I will completely annihilate anything I like. I've got some extra on this side. Kind of want to take some more and play with it. I want to scrape that off, but I think I'm going to wipe it off on my low-leafy silicone mat instead, and then finish off by cleaning it off somewhat. So it's just a little wave. I really want to drag that around there again. Get rid of that line. It occurs to me I have my airbrush right next to me, and I could probably use it. It didn't make a lot of cells in the blue, but blue doesn't usually make cells anyway, in my opinion. But it is making cells in its copious, in its heavier quantity. So maybe I'll try with the straw. And there's my little wave. Cute little wave, actually. Taking my spatula and even up my horizon line. As best I can. Probably could have done that wave just as easily with a spatula. So there's my wave, such as it is. Super fast video. Not sure how well that experiment worked. I'm going to have to try it with some black. I'm not sure if I need more wood conditioner. From Minwax, pre-stained wood conditioner it's called. But it definitely works with the black Amsterdam. 2 ounces of black Amsterdam paint to acrylic paint to 10 drops of Minwax wood, pre-stained wood conditioner. So I love you guys. That was a fast one. Kind of cute though. There's 92,000 of you finally subscribed. Thank you if you just joined us. And be welcomed. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you for still being here. Check my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I could zoom right in on those little cells right there. Because that's it. That's it. That's as far as I can zoom in. I could probably raise up the painting somehow. Anyway, so thank you for all the contributions that helped keep me painting all this time. Thank you for the what kind comments. If you are someone who wants to contribute to help keep the studio rolling and making more videos, look for the exhibition video on the end screen of every video. It includes the prizes for the monthly drawing, and the monthly drawing is held in the last couple days of the month. PayPal and Patreon icons are on my bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and also listed on the link tree where all the other links are. It is usually the first link under the video, but it could be when you click show more. And if you do click show more, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe. I put GAC 800 in all of my paint mixtures to keep the paint from cracking when it's heavy. On the link tree you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and under the video you're going to find Teespring clothing with all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Share my videos if you're of a kind heart. Watch them longer and watch them when notifications come out, and all those things will be great assistance keeping me here making videos for you. You guys inspire the heck out of me. Love you very much. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, please note that my email address is under the link tree. When you click show more, you'll find it. I also give classes at the house at Spring Hill, Florida, and I have 18 lists of 100 videos on playlists, and also playlists with topics and genres, and I am populating a 1900 list. If you need a link for anything, please feel free to ask me. And if you're looking for a Facebook group to join, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a great place for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors is a good place to look at the albums of artworks that I've created on YouTube. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is pretty much the same. Shop Now button will lead you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. If you guys ever want to see anything added to Fine Art America, pixels.com or Teespring, please just ask me. And if you need any information, just ask me questions. I will be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. I love you guys very much. Check out my Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links on the link tree also. And bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery out. See you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please. I love you.